Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Can you guys hear me? Good morning. Where are you guys from? Good morning. Where are you from? Because my time zone is about 5:30 p.m. here in Singapore. Brazil. Wow, welcome. Any one of you guys is like a first timer today? Because actually topic today is also about support and resistance, trend line, and channel and momentum indicator. So basically this section is more to those like the beginner. Okay, so if some of you is like advanced, you may find this section quite easy for you guys. Any one of you guys is a first timer today? Again, if today we finish the section early, all right, I will bring you guys to the charts and then we see, if there is opportunity for us to place the or find any trade setup. Okay. I think today we tune in quite early. Let's just wait for a couple more minutes for everyone to tune in. Good morning. Okay. How is everyone so far? Okay, all right, guys, I don't want to keep you guys waiting. Let's just start the session for today. As I mentioned earlier, so today is quite easy topic. Okay, we're going to learn trend line, channel line, and a momentum indicator, and how to draw trend line and support trend line and channel line correctly. Okay, let's say if we finish early, and then I will bring you guys to the light chart later. All right, again, guys, before we go to the webinar, you already know that remember that everything in this video is educational in nature. Nothing should be construed as investment or trading advice. If you guys want to trade, please do your own due diligence before you guys trade. Okay. So today I'm going to cover drawing trend line, how you draw trend line or channel line, or how to find or combine those like trend line, channel line, support, pullback, and overlap. Okay, so about myself, some of you guys already know me. So my name is Peggy. I'm a trade analyst at Error Frozen Group. Okay, we are finalists for the best FX research in 2019, 20, and 21, and a finalist for the best equity research in 20 and 21. And I myself am prop trader as well. This is some of the certificate that I passed all the challenge. Okay, so again, it's very simple and easy. This topic is also about foundation if you want to trade forex correctly. Okay, so basically, if you want to draw the trend line, or we call ascending trend line, okay, you need to draw from the bottom all the way to the right. Okay, so basically you need to draw from the bottom, it's not from the top. So basically, if you want to draw the trend line like this, you cannot draw ascending trend line on the top of the chart. You need to draw on the bottom, and the trend line have to be at least 3 touches. Okay, cannot be 2 touches. All right, have to be 3 touches. Have to be 3, not 2. Okay, because like I always say, if you only find like those trend line with only 2 touches, what does I mean? Here, for example, For example, here, let's say you draw the trend line. I think trend line, something like that. Okay, like for example, trend line, and you say that okay, you draw the trend line, which I will put the green color. Okay, you draw a trend line, and then okay, to touch it, you already draw a trend line, and then you wait for price to come here, let's say, and then you buy, for example, because you said okay, this is very strong trend line, then you buy from over here. Okay, for example, this only come until here. Okay, and then there is another price coming down here, and maybe here and here and here, and then or maybe somewhere here, maybe here. Okay, because sometimes the price not have to be like that, and then maybe come here again, and then here. So if you want to draw a trend line like that, then you say okay, this is not your touch your trend line, and then to touch it, and you say okay, may not, this is maybe another trend line. So what it means, like if you only put 2 touches, sometimes you're lucky enough if you want trend line here, and then yeah, sometimes the price come here and then bounce from your third time it touches. But if you only use 2 touches, and then you will keep like adjusting your trend line, 2 dot and another 2 dot here, for example, and then you're waiting for price to come to here, and then you buy. Let's say the price not come, maybe come until here, you get what I mean, and then you keep adjusting your trend line. That's what I mean. Okay, so have to be 3 touches. Okay, 2 is more on like accidentally, like coincidentally, it's not like 3. So draw the trend line have to be 3 touches. Okay, this is what I mean. You draw again. If you draw trend line, it doesn't matter if you want to draw as the wick on the bottom. It's okay, as long as if you draw the trend line from the wick, for example, or the body, you draw a straight line, it can touches each other, that is okay. Doesn't matter that I have to draw the trend line on the wick only, or on the candle or the body only. That doesn't matter. Okay, what I mean, like here you draw trend line 1, 2, 3 touches you can draw, and then you pray at the 4th time they touch it, and then you buy from here. And again, this is just the way we draw trend line. It's not all about when the price touch it on the 4th time and then you place the buy order. Okay, that is not on the case. All right, what about you draw this descending trend line? Okay, again you draw from the top, it's not from the bottom. Okay, always draw from the top here. Okay, because you draw the on the top, we try to push the price down here. Not, I try to explain like how you guide here. For example, we draw the trend line, descending trend line here, here, meaning that we expected price to came down. One, it touched the descending trend line, right? For example, if you were to draw like that, I mean, if you what I want to say, okay, have to be 3 touches, okay, not 2. Again, the same. For example, if you draw the trend line, where is my slide here? On the top, on the bottom. Okay, let me go back. Bear with me. I think I'm a bit not myself today. Okay. Okay, what I mean is like, okay, that price is make a lower low, lower high. Okay, and then you draw trend line, something like that. Okay, for example here, what does it mean, like here, and you draw trend line like that. Let's say price come to here, and then they make another, let's say they come up here, they make a down here, and then they may go here, and then you might have to adjust, and then we draw on the top of the chart because we try to place the price down. For example, here have to go down here like that. Okay, it's not all the way like that though. You get what I mean? Okay, if you guys don't get what I mean, or you guys don't understand, you can let me know. Okay, and again have to be 3 touches, not 2. Okay, this is how you draw descending trend line, 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one you sell. Okay, let's say you want to sell over here. Of course we're not going to sell when the price touched the 4th time. There should have, if you based on my eyes, you can see that this is our resistance, right? You can see resistance, break up, become support. Okay, I go back to the first section, that how to draw support and resistance, or overlap support or overlap resistance. Okay, now I combine with the descending trend line. If you want to trade, what you can see here, resistance break above become support, and then break below it become resistance. It's a resistance level when the price come here, and then you sell. Okay, what about here? This is draw at the week 1, 2, 3, and the 4th time here you can sell. Okay, what you can say over here, you draw the resistance. Okay, this is your resistance. I try to draw like here. Okay, that's why when the price touch here, then what we have, another confirmation, is the resistance level, and you can see that this is a rejection, like here the weak rejection. Okay, when you see like that, either you wait for confirmation in the lower time frame, or you can sell at the second candle, which is this candle. Okay, and then you place the sell order over here, and then you hold the trade, and then you can see that price is respect your trend line. And another confirmation, you know that price is on downtrend. Okay, because price is mega lower low, I mean like lower low here, and lower high, lower low, lower high. So price is on downtrend. This is another market structure that you need to know if you need to trade forex. Okay, you need to know how to read market structures as well. Okay, and draw the trend line. And again, if you want to find support and resistance, and you guys don't know how to identify support and resistance, okay, either you look for the A capital for the resistance, or V capital for support, or you can change to the line chart. For example, here let me delete. For example, if you want to okay, here, for example, here you want to find support and resistance, for example, and then you don't know how to identify. Another trick, okay, you change the chart to the line chart, not the candle, and what you can see, then you know that this is your resistance, something like capital A, like that. Okay, your resistance. Okay, like I said, is your resistance. Capital V, you see like that, this is your support. Okay, this is what I mean. So for example, you change to the line chart, and then you can see, okay, this is somewhere like really sharp V, this is your support level, or you can drag to the left somewhere here. Okay, and what you can see here, and another resistance level. But again, if you change to the line chart only show you is the body only. Okay, if you switch to the candle, you know that when you draw, is if you want to capture, you might need to capture your wick as well. Okay, because the line chart only show you on the body, not the wick. So if you draw at the body, like this is our support, right? When you change or switch to light the candle, you know that, okay, this is your support level. when the price touch here, and then you can see that it's a wick and then bounce off from our support level here. Okay, this is what I mean. So another trick, you don't know how to identify, just change to the light chart. Okay, and find support and resistance. Okay, and go back. Let me see any question, or you guys, anyone talk to me? No one. Okay, and the next one. Okay, now without trend line. Okay, you know that. Okay, this is resistance 1, 2, 3 touch it, and the fourth one, what you can see over here, and the fourth one, let me okay, and over here, what you can see that even those price come to touch or go above our descending trend line for the fourth time, but you can see that this is the rejection, another rejection here, and this one is just go up, like, you know, above the trend line a little bit. But if you were to look on your left, which is over here, like over here, actually this is a resistance level here. Okay, here you need to draw the trend line, because sometimes price might go up a little bit or above the descending trend line. Okay, and then after that it's reversed. You can see that this is a rejection, right? And then when you look to your left, you draw the resistance level, and then you know that it line up very nicely with resistance and the trend line, and then you can place the sell like order over here. Okay, all right. Okay, so I have a question. Do you think this trend line is valid? It's valid, you guys. Do you think I can draw a trend line like that? This is very nice. 1 toucher, 2 and 3, and then it's bounce off from here. Do you think this is the valid trend line? Anyone? Okay, somebody say no. Somebody say no. Okay, no. Okay, good one. Okay, so I'm still waiting. Okay, no. Why? Somebody say why. Okay, it's okay. You're either wrong or you didn't know how to draw on, have to draw on the top. Yes, correct. So this is, you know, the price is make a lower low, lower high, all right, and then they make a lower low, lower high. So price is on downtrend. On downtrend or descending trend line, we need to draw on the top like that. Okay, it's not on the bottom here. Okay, valid at a support. No, this is not called support. Okay, so basically, if you want to draw descending trend line, you need to draw on the top. Okay, if you want to draw ascending trend line, you need to draw on the bottom. You get what I mean? So let me, where's my chart? Like okay, let's look at the chart here. When you draw the trend line, this is, you know, that price make a lower low, lower high, right? Price on downtrend. You need to draw from on the top of the price, right? That because when the price come here, like you act at the roof, right? Like, you know, when the price try to push up, you yourself, you try to place the price down like that. Okay, you get what I mean? It's not like, you know, you draw, you try to like that. And about the uptrend, for example here, of course uptrend like that, we will draw the ascending trend line, we should put a green one on top of the price here, because we try to push the price up to be uptrend. Okay, that's what I mean. You have to draw like that. Unless if you saw that, okay, price is made like that, then you need to draw, which I will teach you, is a descending trend line. Okay, something like that. All right, like you act at the root, and then you try to make the price to come down, or this ascending trend line, you try to put the price up. When the price come down here, you try to push the price up like the floor. Okay, you get what I mean? Okay, because I know some of you guys doesn't know how to draw correctly yet, just yet. Okay. Okay, so using the week, again, if you draw the trend line, or either you draw support and resistance, again, like I say, you want to draw at the wick or the body, that doesn't matter, because you know, you just want to like get some lovely rough idea that price on uptrend. For example, here I draw the trend line, I can draw at the body, the wick. You can say 1, 2, 3 price touches, and then the fourth time, if you want to buy from here, you can buy, but then you have to exit quite fast, because price is on the higher or already you know, quite high at this point, and because this is already resistant, right? And then price come down here and then bounce off. But you use to draw support recently is your overlap support level, like over here, and then you know that this is your trend line. Yeah, I think trend line here. So price come here, you buy. You got two confirmation. Price touch your trend line. This is gonna be your fourth time, and then it used to be resistance, and then it's become overlap support, like this one. Okay, and then you buy from here. You buy from here where you go into exit. You're gonna exit somewhere here. I will teach you how to use Fibo. You can use the Fibo, and then it's somewhere around between 60 to 78%, and you know that this is your supply zone somewhere here. Supply zone, and then you can see really big bearish candle here. Okay, so you can draw the wick or the body, that doesn't matter. Okay, as long as they intersect, or they, you know, they, it's quite close enough. Let me find another example for maybe like another pair. Like here, you know, we draw like that, right? You know that this is very nice. In this case, I think I will draw at the bottom, at the wick. You know that this is very nice, descending trend line, and then we play breakout. You know that price touch it 1, 2, 3, and the fourth time, what you can see in the fourth time, price is breakout your trend line, and then they come back and retrace, and then you buy. This is we play the breakout. One is breakout. To me, I will change to green color, because you know price is come from channel from downtrend become uptrend. Okay, then you have to change color. Okay, you can draw support and resistance depending on what time frame you like to trade. For example, you can draw in H4 if you know enter the trade in H4, or if you are scalping or you scalper, you can draw in M15 or M30. Okay, it depends on the type of the trader you are. Okay. Okay, so now we draw channel line. Okay, how you draw channel line? The channel line have to touch at least two on the top and two on the bottom, and then you know this is considered the valid channel line. Okay, like again, they don't need to be, you know, consecutive order. It could be like, you know, one touches here, and then maybe here is not, and then maybe on the third time, and then you touch it, and then you can draw something like that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 2 touch it, and then you draw your channel line. Okay, so basically the bearish channel line I will use a red color, and if bearish channel line I will use green color. I will use green color. Yeah. Okay. Equation. Okay, one touches, again you draw the channel line. You can draw at the wick or at the body, that is okay. that doesn't matter, because we just want to kind of like get the rough idea that okay, price is still within the bullish channel line here. And what you can see here is that price is also mega higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low here, and it's still within the bearish, still in the bullish channel line. All right. And what about the liquidity trap over here? Okay, so I think this one just we'll skip for a while now. Let me just show you how to draw the channel line first. Do I can find one of them? And again, if you want to draw, you can draw either H1, H4, or M 30. Let me find the example. Okay, for example, here, let's try first. Okay, here you can draw the bearish channel line. You know, this is a wick. This I think you will get stopped out, or those like the trap here. But you can draw like that. And what you can see over here, okay, it touched 1, 2, and 3 times, and the bottom also 2 times. And what you can see here, before the price comes somewhere here, and then you know that okay, price is still on downtrend because it's still within the bearish channel line here. All right, and what you can see here, it still touches, right? Okay, one is price break above. What you can see that the body is also close above the bearish channel line. Okay, and then you wait the price to come back, and then you buy. Okay, what you see like that, you need to draw support and resistance as well for this time frame. Okay, this is due to be your resistance, right? Somewhere here. Maybe I just put like the resistance level. Okay, within here, price break out the bearish channel line, and then they come back and retrace at the resistance level as well, and then it boom, it's bounced off from this level, and then it almost touches your descending trend line as well. Okay, this is what I mean. Let me find another example of the bullish channel line. Let me see one here. Okay. Okay, at this point over here, you know that price is on bullish channel line, right? It is very nice here. You can see that price touch. Let me move in a little bit here. Which is here. Okay, 1, 2, usually actually somewhere here. You will see that you really start to draw your bullish channel line 1, 2, 3, and then what you can see that you know that price is still within the bullish channel line. And okay, I pause here. Okay, what you can see over here as well, even though you know the price is still on uptrend, okay, and they use the Ichimoku cloud for momentum indicator, you know that price is above Ichimoku cloud, which is uptrend, price on uptrend. But if you want to draw support and resistance somewhere on your left, in this case, okay, how I do my technical analysis, I will draw Fibo. You know that somewhere around here should be my first resistance here, because we do have 50%. Why I choose 50%? I not choose 61%, because if you want to see 61.8% is just nothing. It's just a very small move over here. It's like sideways. It's just like sideways here, right? You like now I combine everything, and 50% fib level, you know that this is used to be, or you draw somewhere here, resistance like price come, have really big rejection, and the second time and third time price could not break above this one, so I choose 50%. Okay, and then when you draw the trade channel line, you know that okay, if you were to buy from from this level, which is support level, like this is your support level, you buy from here, your TP, either you put the TP at this level, because we do have 50% fib level, which is line up with bullish channel line over here. That's why this is gonna be your TP if you to buy from this support, and then this is your TP here. Okay, one is touch or reach your TP, and then you can see that price have the big rejection here. Okay, and then came down within the bullish channel line, and over here one price is break below. What I mean like break below price, I mean the body of the candle have to close below the bullish channel line, and then you know that oh, this might, you know, changing the momentum or uptrend become downtrend, because here you have to draw another support resistance. This is your resistance level, this is your resistance. Okay, used to be this one. I just maybe draw, you can see that resistance, break above become support, and now you can see that they try to break, but you have to keep an eye on that. Okay, now it become resistance, right? And then try to go above or go back within the bullish channel line, but it just go and touch, and then boom, react off our resistance level. And then if you want to sell from here, of course we sell at the resistance level. Your TP is at support level, which is here, or here is your support, which is boom, it hits your TP here. Okay, any questions so far, guys? Oh wait, somebody asked me, I did not see the question. Okay, let me look. Okay, any question? I'll pause here a little bit. Any question? Any question, guys? Okay, I just pause here for a while in case any one of you guys want to ask me the question. If there's a question, I will just continue, and then you'll see if there is opportunity the trade set up for us. If you guys any one of you guys have the trade opening or running? Okay, I do have. UJ, any one of you guys selling the USD JPY? Okay, so now let me ask you the question, since you guys don't have any question. Okay, okay, can I let me find the one, for example, for you, just in case. Okay, maybe I just go to the another time frame. Okay, this maybe this one. No, this is already what this the okay, maybe here. Okay. Can I draw a trend line like this? Do you think this is a good trend line for me to draw? Any one of you guys? No? Okay. Why I cannot draw like that? Current price. Okay, for the current price action is different. Is direction of bullish? Consider we have a strong bearish move. For the current price action is a direction bullish, considering we have a strong bearish move. You mean which one? Okay, I will look for you EU later. The EU now. Okay, EU is still, if you're asking me if you want to draw the trend line. Okay, can I example, can I draw trend line like this? This is my trend line. Can I draw? Before I go further, can I draw this with my descending trend line? Anyone, can I draw like that? Or okay, no, correct. Yeah, we cannot draw because have to be at least 3 touches, even though this is 1, 2, but I don't think this is a good trend line for us to draw. Okay, but we can try to see if we can draw this is a bearish channel line. Okay. Okay, the momentum is still on downtrend. Okay, but what we can see here, this is already draw support resistance. Price is come to hit my first support and it bounce off from here because why? I draw my support which from daily time frame, which is here, which is all the way here. Zoom somewhere here. Okay, and over here they have Fibonacci confluence zone, which is 161.8 extension and projection 78.6%. That's why I highlighted the zone for me to buy, which is I buy, okay, for this order. And then the second support, I just use 100% projection here. Again, the price action, you can see the long week price action, even though we go to the H1, is still bounce off from here because it bounced off at the support level. In if price will change the momentum, which is downtrend become uptrend. First they need to break in the let me the first one. First they need to break the first resistance here. They need to break this like that, it become uptrend. From downtrend become uptrend, or they make a lower high and higher high. But in this case, they might bounce off from here because in the lower time frame, which is H1, price could not make a lower low, but still is a low, right? Okay, but where did you see here? But it seems like they bounce off very nicely because it is strong. To me, this very strong support level, a key support level for me. Okay, so in order for them to change, they need to break. This is used to be support level. The break below, they need to go up here, okay, and then go something like that. Then they will change the momentum to downtrend become uptrend. And then if you trade the EU, GU, and XAUUSD, you need to look at the XY as well, because you can see this one is already at the resistance level somewhere here. Actually, my resistance here is just break a little, like go above, and now it's falling already right now. Okay, so that's why it's falling. That's why EU and GBP is rising, right? I don't know why something wrong with GU. GU is just just now was rising for a while and then it's falling again. Okay, That's why what you can see, the XY is falling. That's why UJ also falling. Okay, where my UJ here. This is my UJ in H4. It just go above my first resistance a little bit, which is we have 161.8%, which is extension. How I draw extension, which is from here to here. Okay, and then you know that is your 161 extension, and you draw support resistance. Again, you need to look all the way to the left here. It's quite far because I think this one I could not find. I use daily time frame to help me to find support resistance. So I zoom. I put the resistance at the wick. You can put at the body, but in this case I put at the wick because in daily time frame, and then in H4 is somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. And you want to zoom. What you can see that this is my resistance level. Okay, and we do have 61.8% fib level. Okay, and then this price come to here, and then it's reversed down for the USD JPY. Okay, and we want to look, you know that this is a divergence here in H1 here. Okay, you just double click, make it bigger, and then you can see this is a valid divergence in H1. Okay, you were to ask me whether they come down here or not, I don't know, because it seems like it's about off somewhere here. But if you want to sell somewhere here, you can hold. Okay, and then you just use either tailing stop loss, or you can just move your SL to secure some profit or set break even. Okay. Okay, I answered you already, right? For the EU. Okay. Okay. Again, they need to break this resistance, but sometimes it might capture only this week. But in this case, I will use somewhere here. All right. If you want to draw fib level, is touch at 26.6%, and then it's kind of reversed here. But the first resistance is light up somewhere 61.8% fib level, which is here. Okay, this is the one. So it's my potential to come up here, and then you come down here again because price is still on downtrend. Okay, but it's just that this is a big rejection. We need to see what you can see the lower time frame here. Okay, if you look at the market structure, they still cannot make or reach until this level. It's reversed already, meaning these are rising. Just come to this level. Okay, let we go back to any question, guys. Any question? Any question? Okay, now we will look at the trap or those like stop hand. For example, you know that sometimes we are very confident, like sometimes I myself also get stop out. You know that this is like very nice rejection over here. If you need trade by only read the candlestick, you know that this is really nice rejection. So you think that okay, when the price come here, either you sell. Okay, once you sell, if you put very tight stop loss, you will get stop out, and then price is reverse and dropping to your direction. Let's say if you were to sell here on your left, you know that this is another like very important resistance level somewhere here, or what you can see here, if you were to use either you draw Fibonacci from this one to this one, and then based on my eye here should have somewhere like 78.6% fib level somewhere here. So meaning this, if you want to see, usually in the bigger time frame you will see this very big bearish candle, but if you want to go to the lower time frame, like H1 or M30, somewhere around here that we have a supply zone. Okay, that's what I mean is that for example, we are in H4. We in H4, okay, and over here, you know that this is your resistance. Okay, one is breaks above, it become your support, right? We wait for price to pull back at our support level. Okay, one in H4, if you want to zoom in the lower time frame, you know that this have the hidden base here. That's why price come in the first time, it's reversed here. Okay, you cannot see. We cannot see. Okay, maybe this is not a good example. Let me try to find another. Okay, go back to H4. Okay, maybe here. Okay, this is our resistance level. Break above, it's become support, right? And when you see like that, you know that this is your demand zone somewhere here. This is your demand zone, okay? Your demand zone, when you high break, the price create a lower low, lower high, okay? You put a Fibo, you know it's somewhere 23.6%. Okay, if you were to go to M30, oh, we think we cannot see. Okay, what you can see here, M30, you know that this is the supply zone, but when you see that in H4, we call it hidden base. Okay, but you were to go to the lower time frame, you will know that this is your base here. Okay, so when the price come to this zone, you're going to buy at this level. Okay, because we have Fibo 23.6%, and this is used to be resistant, and now it's become support, so we call pullback support level. Okay, back. Okay, what you can see here, they come. Okay, okay, now price come to our zone here. Okay, bounce up one time and two time is boom from here. Okay, this is what I mean. All right, now we go back. I don't want to keep messing up. Okay. Okay, so now, like again, sometimes if you put your stop loss too tight, or you know too narrow or too tight, and then you might get stop out, or sometimes we call like stop loss or stop hunt or whatsoever. Like for example here, UJ. Okay, if you don't know how to, for example, you doesn't know how to use Fibonacci extension. Okay, and then when you see like that, you know that okay, in H4 there's a lot of rejection here. Like then you try to like place the order, something like that. Okay, based on the week. For example, here this week here, and then this the week here. Let's say you place the sale order somewhere here, be with the bigger lot. Okay, somewhere here is your sale entry, for example. And then you put your stop loss just above this week. For example, this week, okay? Here is your stop loss. And where is my stop loss here? Your stop loss here. And what you can see, you can stop out because price is come to the resistance if you doesn't know how to draw, and they come to 161.8 extension, because usually the trader, they will use the extension for their take profit. Okay, that's why if this order, you place the sell order here and your stop loss just above this week, and then this is you get stop out, and then price is revert to your direction here. Okay, so sometimes you need to draw, need to know how to draw support and resistance, and you need to know how to use Fibonacci, either expansion or projection, and then you will get the very nice trade over here. Okay, and when the price go to the resistance, you go to lower time frame, you know this is a bearish divergent over here. Okay, if you want to see like that, you may not see there's a bearish divergence, right? For the RSI, you need to double click to make it bigger, and then you can see clearly. Okay, any questions so far, guys? Any question? No? Okay, if there's no question, I think I'm going to end the, let's see the any one. Okay, let's just look for another example here. You know, price break above, okay, what we can see here, price is moved in the bearish channel line, right? And then now they break above the bearish channel line. So what you can see here, either you know that on your left or far, there might be either like resistance level, or what you can see here, price come and touch. This is a wick. Maybe somewhere here there might be something, but if one price is break above this one, and this level, actually the below on the left here, there might be like, you know, something left which is another resistance level. One is break here, even though you know that this is another resistance level. I draw from here. Oh, somewhere here. And then we use the momentum indicator, which is the Ichimoku cloud. Okay, one it break here, and then it go touch until here it come down. Either you wait for price to pull back at this resistance, it become break here, it becomes support, and then either you buy from here, or if it break above here, go to until here. Okay, then you can see the rejection. Either you sell at the second candle, you can sell the second candle, and your TP should be here. You cannot hold up to like all the way below. That's what I mean. Okay. Okay, that will be a question. Do you think strategy with support resistance price Fibonacci could be successful? What another indicator do you step to include? Okay. If you ask me, like as we already know, there is so many strategy you got for you guys to pick up, right? In the forex market, you need to pick up, you know, the strategy that suit to your trading style or suit your style. Either you're a full-time trader or you are part-time trader. Okay, but again, draw support and resistance correctly. That is very fundamental for you to trade forex. Okay, let me go and the question for myself. Okay, I like to trade on H4. I used to be a scalper. Last time I only trade M1, M5. I only trade gold only. Okay, last time used to be like that. But I just for myself, I just found that that is not the something that I want. So I switched to like H1 and H4. Okay, and then if you can identify support and resistance correctly and based on Fibonacci, and you guys know that Fibonacci is really Fibonacci level. There's a what I want to say with to me, the level of Fibonacci, if you know how to draw correctly, you can make money from that. Because Fibonacci, if you want to learn elliott wave or harmonic, it's all based on Fibonacci level. Okay, like for here, for example here, why I get the sell entry at this level, because I draw resistance and then price is break above this resistance. Okay, I know that usually for the swing trader, okay, they will use Fibonacci extension, which is Fibonacci extension for take profit will be these two level for profit taking. Either 1 to 7.2 is TP1 and 61.8 is TP2. Okay, that's why it's here. And first I thought like in head 4, I thought this is my price action, primary reverse at this candle, but then I see that okay, there is another level which is my resistance is somewhere here. For example, if I place the sell order at this level and then price reverse, I know that okay, when the price reverse and come to my resistance zone, I will have another order somewhere here. Okay, because this is my resistance level and with 61.8% extension, and I have a confirmation which is in H1, I have a bearish divergence over here. So I still hold my sell order for this order. Okay, like I say, if you really know how to draw support resistance correctly, you can make the money from that. Yep, but you need to know how to identify support and resistance correctly. Let's say you say that your scalper, you only trade on M15. You also can draw on M15 based on M15, for example. Okay, what you can see here, let's just me find another like another pair. Okay, like I will draw support resistance for you to see in head 4. Okay, what you can see here on your left, you know that okay, this is your this one. Okay, this is your support level. Why I choose here? This one used to be the resistance. Break above, it becomes support. This is in head 4. Okay, and this is your resistance level here. If you draw to here, you know, okay, price is come. You zoom in and see this is your resistance level because this is multi-swing high. And what you can see over here in head 4, this is a price action. This is the one. Okay, that's why now price is make, this will become your resistance. You make a sell over here and you will just go down. What you can see over here, bearish candle. Okay, like again, because we draw support resistance in H4, it's to be like that. But if you were to draw support resistance in H1, then your level will change. So if you trade in H1 and then you draw support resistance in H1, if you trade on H4 and then you draw support resistance in H4, but either you want to execute your, I mean, you press the order, you can go to lower time frame like M15 or M5 to find the confirmation. For example, here, we draw some resistance on your left here. You know that okay, this is your resistance level. I even draw until here. Like before that, we don't know, right? And then we just here, you know that okay, this is your resistance level because price come 1 time, 2 time, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 time, and then it reversed really nicely here. So this is your resistance level. Okay, when price come here to here, you can go to the lower time frame. Like wait for the confirmation. For example, somewhere here, you go to M15. What you can see in M15 is over here. It's a bearish candle over here, right? M15, and price could not go above. Let me see, like here, like price could not go above this week. For example, you see this week, you want to get a sharp entry, you know that okay, this is your resistance level, but price came down and then it's still ranging. I mean, the up down in M5, and then you may take a note to hear that okay, this is a week, and then price come down. One price is come and could not go above this week. Okay, either you wait for price. You can see M5 is another bearish candle here. You may not want to sell here. You can wait for another candle, which is this candle, finish, and then you can buy, oh sorry, you can sell at the third candle here for your confirmation. Okay, and lower time frame, you can see bearish divergence here and here, your confirmation. Okay, you can see that always divergence you can find in M5, M15 if it happen at the resistance in the higher time frame, which is H4. In this case, you can know, you can see, you will get the sharp entry at this week. Okay, if you want to wait in H4 until it's closed, then your entry is maybe somewhere here. But if you know that when the price come to the zone, which is like, you know, those are resistance level, you go to the lower time frame, you just want to find out, you know, what is the price action or anything it happened in lower time frame. In this case, I know that, okay, it hits my resistance. I see that price is gonna go above this wick on the left. I place the sell order. If I press, I can press at this the bearish candle here. If you want to wait for another confirmation, which is this one, and then you see that, okay, this bearish divergence over here, or maybe somewhere here, like here, okay, and then you sell. EU bullish divergence, EU, okay, in which time frame? Yep, it's a bullish divergence in H1 here. Here. That's why price already go here. Okay, I don't in this case I did not wait. Okay, I already enter a buy one price is come to my somewhere zone. But if you were to go to like lower time frame, what you can see, okay, and you can see over here, okay, first you see that we come to here, price like form like cannot like go and have like, you know, try to go down, but there's a buyer in the market already. And then this candle, another confirmation, but we still have to wait. This time you're not sure, but you're not okay, price at the support level, so you wait, and you wait at this candle, and then the another candle for you for the confirmation with this candle, meaning that this candle, the body have the end gap or higher than this body, which is the red one. And then once this candle is closed above, I mean the body is closed above this one, and then either you place the buy order over here. If you're already conservative trader, you wait for the confirmation and this is your order is here, okay, in M5. All right, okay, so I think I'm going to launch the poll so you guys can help me vote. All right, okay. Okay, just help me vote if you like my webinars. Okay, I think I'll see you guys again next week. Okay, so you see me every Tuesday, okay, for like educational, okay, and every Monday it's gonna be me and my team, we will rotate. So every Monday it's gonna be live trading section, and every Tuesday that's gonna be educational. Thank you. Yes, every Monday on IC Market. Yes, but they're gonna be live on YouTube. Okay, every Monday is about live trading section every Monday. But you need to turn in the YouTube. Yeah. Okay, and then Tuesday gonna be go to webinars. Okay. Okay, I think I was gonna close my voting so you guys can see my chart. Oh, why it's here? Anyway, it's okay, guys. So, guys, thank you so much for your time today. Okay, see you guys or catch you guys again on the next webinar, which is next Monday and next Tuesday. Okay, stay safe, take care. All right, bye for now.